phone conversation with international client. Sofia Chen, quality manager at TechPro Manufacturing, is having a phone conversation with Hiroshi Tanaka, procurement manager at Nihon Electronics, a Japanese client. They are discussing a quality issue with a recent shipment.
Good evening, Mr. Tanaka. This is Sofia Chen from TechPro Manufacturing. Thank you for making time for this call. How are you today?
Good morning, Ms. Chen. I am well, thank you. I hope you are doing well also.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate you joining this call outside your normal business hours. If it's convenient for you, I'd like to discuss the quality concern you raised about batch T M 2025-078.
Yes, that would be helpful. We have some concerns about the surface finish on the components from this batch.
I understand your concern, and we take this matter very seriously. When we received your email yesterday, we immediately began investigating the issue. If you can provide a bit more detail about what you're observing, it will help us address the problem more effectively.
Of course, when our inspection team examined the components, they noticed inconsistent texture on approximately 15% of the units. The variation is subtle but exceeds our acceptance criteria for this product line.
Thank you for that clarification. If I understand correctly, the issue is with surface texture consistency rather than any functional defect. Is that accurate?
That is correct. The components function as expected in our testing, but the appearance does not meet our specifications for this premium product line.
I appreciate the detailed explanation. Based on your description, we believe we've identified the potential cause. During the production of this batch, we experienced a temperature fluctuation in one of our finishing processes. If this is indeed the cause, it would explain the inconsistency you've observed.
I see. What steps are you taking to address this issue?
We're taking several immediate actions. First, we've already quarantined all remaining inventory from this batch. Second, our quality team is conducting a comprehensive analysis to confirm the root cause. If you agree, we would like to send our technical specialist, Mr. Rodriguez, to your facility to inspect the affected components personally. When he examines the actual units, he can provide a more definitive assessment.
That would be acceptable. If Mr. Rodriguez visits next week, our inspection team can show him the specific issues we've identified.
Excellent. I'll have our assistant contact your office to arrange the details for Mr. Rodriguez's visit. In the meantime, we understand this issue may impact your production schedule. If you need replacement components urgently, we can expedite a new batch with enhanced quality controls.
Thank you for the offer. At this moment, we have sufficient inventory for the next 2 weeks. However, if your investigation extends beyond that time frame, we may need the expedited replacement.
Understood. We expect to complete our initial investigation within 3 days. When we have the results, I'll send you a detailed report with our findings and corrective actions. If the timeline extends beyond next week, we'll begin production on the replacement batch immediately.
That approach seems reasonable. We value our partnership with TechPro and appreciate your prompt attention to this matter.
We value our relationship with Nihon Electronics as well, Mr. Tanaka. We're committed to resolving this issue to your complete satisfaction. If you identify any additional concerns or have questions before our next update, please don't hesitate to contact me directly.
Thank you, Ms. Chen. One additional question. When you send the report, could you include your inspection data from batch TM 2025-078? This would help us correlate our findings with yours.
Absolutely. I'll include the complete inspection data with our report. If there's any other specific information that would be helpful, please let me know.
That will be sufficient. Thank you for addressing this matter so promptly.
You're welcome, Mr. Tanaka. Thank you again for bringing this to our attention and for your patience as we work to resolve it. I'll be in touch with the investigation results within 3 days, and Mr. Rodriguez will coordinate his visit for early next week.
I look forward to receiving your report and meeting with Mr. Rodriguez. Have a good evening, Ms. Chen.
Thank you. Have a good day, Mr. Tanaka. Goodbye.